Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Binance to your bank account. Let's get started. First of all, open Binance application at your Android or iOS device. Now click on Wallet at the bottom right corner. Click on Spot. Now click on Withdraw. Select your currency you want to withdraw. I am willing to withdraw my USDT coins. Here we have to paste the address. So open your bank account or wallet. Click on Receive. Now, copy the address. Please check the network, which is most important while withdrawing or depositing money. Here you can see it is ERC20. Now go back to Binance. Paste the address. Enter the network, which is ERC20. Now select the amount you want to withdraw. After select, click on Withdraw. Enter your password for verification, and your amount will be deposited into your bank account. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video. Goodbye.